just like my case haul. I'm like, dang. Dang. But, you know, that's what come. That's what come with it. So, you know. Whoa. I overdo it every time. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kanisha and welcome back to another episode of Maintaining Kanisha. And today I have a Wildflower case unboxing. Y'all been dying for this case to come. I've been searching for a case for like 3 months straight and I could not find a case that I really liked. It was so pretty. I looked on YouTube everywhere for like somebody to unbox this case, somebody to show how this case looked on the iPhone 11. And I'm recording off my phone, so I cannot show y'all how it look on the phone, but I'm gonna try to get some pictures in. And if the light is in my glasses, I don't have a ring light, I'm using a lamp or something. So y'all, let's get into the unboxing. I ordered this Wildflower case on April 19th and it shipped out on April 22nd and I received it April 28th, which is today. And the communication was great. I have the app called Arrive, and Arrive like gives you every pinpoint, like gives you every point of your case. Like if it's in Los Angeles, Arrive will tell you when it got in Los Angeles, the time. It even gives you a little map out of the map, like of the United States and where your package traveled from or to. So y'all, I'm trying not to look up and put that glare in my glasses because it's blinding me. So I finally got my case. This is the package it come in. It came like this because I Lysol the cases for a, it's just like a comfort thing, like a mind thing. So I Lysol the case off, and the Lysol actually took off the address, so that's still good. Got the zip code, but so I opened the case and these two stickers popped out. They're cute. And this the other one. Oh Lord, it's upside down. This other one. Y'all, it's raining. My favorite. This is my favorite thing. So these are stickers that came in the case. This is just a little information sheet. Oh my God, it's cute. And this is the Wildflower case I ordered. Y'all, I'm so obsessed with butterflies now. I do not know. Butterflies is just my spirit. So this is how I look. The front, the back. Maybe I should read the back. Nah, I ain't gonna read the back. Whatever. So you pop your case out like this, and bam. This is velvet. This is so nice. This is velvet. And you pop the case out, y'all. The case is so shiny, so pretty. So this is the case that I ordered. I thought they have a peel off sticker. Yo, this one don't have a peel off. Like some cases I didn't watch with the video, you could peel a sticker off, but this one doesn't. That's like low-key disappointing. Nope, it don't have a peel off sticker. Wow. Okay, so I was skeptical from ordering from Wildflower because I was like, is the case really protective? I'm pretty sure it is, but inside the case is this and this, and it says, welcome to the fam, Wildflower. And it has, yay, you now own a super cute limited edition Wildflower case. We can't wait to see your mirror pics. We love you so much and sincerely thank you for our order. And I guess these are the people who own it. I don't take pictures. So this is the inside of the case. I'm stretching it so y'all can see.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It do feel kind of sturdy. I'm kind of disappointed that they don't have the peel off thing, because all the other videos I watched had the peel off thing. I forgot to include that this was the Antonia Garza iPhone 11 Pro Max case. It was a limited edition case, and it cost me $34.05 plus, well, that's what it came up before, whatever. So $34 plus $2.95. So the total was $37. I paid $37 for the case, and it was a limited edition case. I don't think I forgot nothing else. I just had to include this because I forgot it. I'm just trying to show the case as much as possible. Back, front, side. And they do have their little wildflower. Can I say emblem? But it's not an emblem. They do have their little wildflower symbol right here. So yeah, if y'all was thinking about purchasing a wildflower case, they're really pretty. I cannot lie. This was another sharp video. I'm pretty sure I included everything in this video. Like I said, excuse the light in my glasses. I don't have a ring light. I'll be getting one soon. If you have any suggestions for my future videos or how I can improve my channel or what I'm doing wrong, please feel free to leave it down below.